Hi everybody. We introduce the 4-frame honey extractor manual economic model. This extractor drum made of stainless steel. The honey gate is plastic. And the interior basket is painted. Metal centrifuge gear. Painted legs. Now let's watch how to install and use. First of all, clean it with hot water. After that, please assemble the legs with screws. Then, please assemble the gear handle. When it's ready, place the uncapped frames into the basket as in the video. Please turn the frames to drain their reverse side.